Hi, this is Labor Law from Zero. If you have more than 10 employees in Korea, you need to prepare something called Rules of Employment. I'll just call it ROE from now on to keep it simple. And if you already have it, you may need to update it because Korean labor laws have changed in 2025. In this video, I'll explain what this means and what foreign companies should do. Let's start with why this is important. ROE isn't just paperwork. It includes your core HR rules like working hours, leave, discipline, and benefits. Korean law says all companies with 10 or more employees must make and report the ROE to the Ministry of Employment and Labor. If you don't, your company can be fined up to 5 million won. There are two common cases. Number one, you have just reached 10 employees. That means it's time to prepare the ROE for the first time. Number two, you already have the ROE, but it hasn't been updated in years. Now is the right time because many labor laws have already changed this year, especially around maternity protection. Making the ROE by yourself can be hard. You need to include the required items by the Ministry of Employment and Labor, follow the right process, and match it with your employment contracts and HR rules. That is why we suggest working with a labor attorney. We make sure your ROE is not only legally compliant and clear, but also protects your ability to manage HR matters effectively, including discipline, working hours, and flexibility. We don't just translate or fix legal terms. We check if your policies are clear, up-to-date, and easy to apply. We also make sure the ROE works well with your contract templates, discipline policy, and any global guidelines your headquarters uses. Here's how our consulting works, step by step. You send us your current ROE, contracts, employee handbook, disciplinary policies, code of conduct if you have them. We draft a new ROE based on your documents and Korean labor laws. You review the draft and give your feedback. We revise and finalize it with you. Once the ROE is confirmed, we prepare the final version. If you need an English version, we can do that too, either at the beginning or at the end. We also make a comparison table so you can clearly see what is changed. For most updates, employee consent or feedback is required by law. We'll give you simple documents and help you plan how to collect employees' opinions. If you want, we can also prepare briefing materials for your HR team or employees. After collecting employees' opinions, we submit the ROE to the Ministry of Employment and Labor on your behalf. This is the final step. If you are ready to start or if you just have questions, please contact us anytime. We will send you a clear proposal and walk you through the whole process. Thanks for watching.